Bennington has trace of alcohol and ecstasy, ecstasy is in his system. Hi, I'm Etoyevinov. According to Team TMC, Bennington's autopsy shows that he had alcohol and ecstasy his system at the time of his death. The autopsy results updated by TMC that revealed that the eagle particle had a small amount of alcohol and MDMA, otherwise known as ecstasy. Although authorities found a prescription of substance which is used to treat insomnia or stress. There was also a big glass of coke which was as that half full and an empty bowl of cereal under this. Jesus' wife told the police that Payton had been prescribed antidepressants in the past, but had not taken them for more than a year. Dr. Christopher Walsh's deputy medical examiner at the Assessor's Quarters office wanted to report that autopsy's findings are characteristic of suicide. There was a history of suicide ideation. Payton died on July 2nd after committing suicide at the age of 41. He had been open with the press and talking about his struggles with depression, drugs, and alcohol, which ended him in rehab twice around 2006. Investigators with the coroner's office deputy examiner at the Assessor's Quarters office wrote in the report that Jason was found hanging with a gear around his neck. Back there was a black leather belt with a metal pocket engraved with eagle balls. The belt was wrapped about neck, then through the knuckle before bending up towards the door frame. The belt passed between the jaw edge of a door and the door frame. The knuckle was as the puzzle of neck. On the dressing table was prescription for Subidin 10 mg contain of what buggy, you see? On the counter of attached bubble was empty. Gas bar of steel 2-pound caps, 2 pairs of sunglasses, a wire and a towel. Also on this dresser was a 1-pin bar of coil, as the half full. The full report can be found at this location. Eaglebog paid tribute to Payton on October 27, with a Mosul 3-hour show that featured a number of guests during the band on stage at the higher point in other stations. Among the artists who performed with the band for the show were Bush's Kevin Wostell, Javin Davis of Cole and As Moses, instrumental members of No Doubt or stars of Female Mercy, Igor Punk, Big 182, sorry about that, Big 182, all stars of Baby Horizon themselves, and sister case of Affection Bush and Mabel. So, that's it. You gotta think about just find it on Facebook, but I get on Facebook, find it on Twitter and Instagram. So, thank you guys for your support, and for next video, we get more breaking news. So, until then, thank you for watching, and bye.